Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review the L'Oreal Paris Worth It Lip Kit, which I got from Nike about 1 month ago. And let's talk about what is there in this lip kit and how the products are, the swatches and everything. So let's get started. So this product is a limited edition lip kit by L'Oreal, and inside this box you get one makeup bag which is free along with two lip products. The first one is Beige Couture and the second lipstick is called as Pure Rouge. So let's open this pack. Of course I've opened it earlier, but just doing it again for you guys. So once you open the box out, you'll see a makeup bag in here which looks very pretty, luxurious. I like this silver color very much, which comes with a tassel. And once you open this up, you will see two lipsticks inside this. So earlier this lipsticks were sealed, but because I've used this, so the seal is broken now. So coming to the price point first, this lip kit retails for 999 rupees. If you buy this lipstick separately, you have to pay 750 rupees for each lipsticks. That is 1500 rupees. But instead you're getting these lipsticks for 999 rupees. Along with that, you're getting a beautiful makeup pouch. I absolutely like the makeup pouch, and they like the box of this L'Oreal box as well. And of course the lipstick packaging, it is a very standard L'Oreal lipstick packaging, nothing extraordinary, but I like this packaging a lot. The good thing about this lip kit is that first of all you're getting two lipsticks at around 500 rupees each. That is a discounted price. Originally these are for 750 rupees if you buy it separately, and also you're getting this makeup pouch. You can use it to store your lipstick later on, and it's also good looking. So the colors that we get in this lip kit are Beige Couture, which is a nude shade, and the other one is called as Pure Rouge, which is a dark red shade. Both of these shades are from the matte range from L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick range. Now, to be very true, L'Oreal is one of my favorite brands other than Maybelline and Wet n Wild when it comes to drugstore product, and I have a lot of L'Oreal lipsticks. If you want me to do a swatch video for like my L'Oreal lipstick collection swatch video, then please let me know. I can do a video for that because I have many L'Oreal lipsticks and I love using L'Oreal lipsticks on a daily basis. So these lipsticks are the regular L'Oreal matte range. The formula and everything is just same. It is just that you're getting these two products in one lip kit. These lipsticks are not matte or drying matte. These are very comfortable to wear. They look matte, but they are very creamy and moisturizing. And if you do not have very dry lips, you do not need to wear a lip balm beneath this. You can just directly go ahead and wear this. Very creamy, very moisturizing. Definitely transfers a lot. These are not transfer proof, but after the first layer goes, it leaves a stain which stays on for long time. For my lips, it stays for about 4 to 5 hours after eating heavy and oily meals. And you definitely have to reapply this for about after 6 to 7 hours, because the stain will also start feeling dry. But otherwise, I love using them. Very ideal to use it for a daily basis if you're going to work or office. Highly recommend the texture. And if you're not buying this lip kit, but if you're buying these lipsticks like individually, then you will get a lot of color selection to buy from. But today I'm talking about this lip kit. So the thing which I really liked about this lip kit is that it comes with one deep shade, this dark red shade, and another nude shade. So that is, one is for daytime and one is for the night time, or if you're going out to parties and all. So the combination is really good. And coming from the price point, you're getting a lot of discount and a makeup bag free, which is a really amazing deal, I would say. Now let's go ahead and see the swatches. So the first color we have today is called as Beige Couture, and this is what the lipstick looks like. I worn these lipsticks twice before. This is the full size of the lipstick. So let's go ahead and swatch it on my lips. So this is what Beige Couture looks like on me. I am NC30 in MAC. In Maybelline I'm 230 Natural Buff. If you're somehow like somewhat nearby my shade, you can relate how it's going to look like on Hue. So the shade Beige Couture is a pink uh, coral kind of a nude, and this is what it looks like on me. I think this color washes me out a little bit, and I think this color will look very flattering on people having skin tone lighter than me, and it's going to look very fabulous on them. But for me, I think it washes me out a little bit. So what I prefer doing is that I like to line my lip with a darker lip color, like a brown lip color, and then wear this color. It looks beautiful if I do it in that way. I'll show you this. So I'm taking a random lip liner which is brown in shade, and I'm going to line my lips with this. So you can see how beautiful it is looking after lining my lips with a darker lip color. It is looking much more flattering compared to the original Beige Couture shade. So I would always recommend, if you're my skin tone and if this product is washing you out, then please apply a darker lip color. It's going to look very flattering, and it turns out to be a very, very beautiful nude. Talking about this color in general, I don't think this is going to look flattering on people having dark skin tones. It's going to wash you out. So this color is only for people having very light skin tones, or medium skin people can also try it, but you need to draw your lips with a darker lip color. And this is the hand swatch of the shade Beige Couture. The next shade that we have is called as Pure Rouge. It's a beautiful red shade, and I love this red shade. Let's watch this. So this is what Pure Rouge looks on me. It's a orange based shade. It's a bright color, very, very appropriate if you're going to weddings, going to party. This instantly brightens your entire makeup, your entire face. Very lovely shade. This is going to look good on all skin tone. This is a universal shade, and I absolutely love this shade. So here goes the hand swatch of the color Pure Rouge. So coming to the final conclusion, I think L'Oreal did a great job by launching this limited edition lip kit where you get two colors. One is in nude, one is in dark, and the price point is also in discounted. That is, you get it for 1,000 rupees, much lesser compared to if you buy it individually, and you can get this lip kit in a more discounted price if you buy this in offer from Nikon Flipkart. Though I bought it in full size because that time the offer was going on, but later on I saw that this product is on discount on Flipkart. So I think this is a great deal. And if you are a L'Oreal lipstick lover and you like their matte range, then definitely give this a try. You will not regret buying this. So this is all about the review. If you like my work, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video in particular, hit the like button. Bye.